The Faceless Fortune: How People Are Earning $10,000 a Month Without Ever Showing Their Face. In an era where personal branding and digital visibility often dominate the narrative of online success, a quiet but powerful counter-movement has been gaining traction. Individuals generating significant income, often upwards of $10,000 a month, without ever revealing their identity or showing their face. This new wave of faceless entrepreneurs is redefining success in the digital age, leveraging anonymity as a strategic advantage rather than a limitation. The rise of faceless entrepreneurship. The notion of making money online is hardly new. From the early days of blogging and affiliate marketing to the modern age of YouTube influencers and TikTok stars, the internet has long been fertile ground for creative monetization. What has shifted recently, however, is the growing realization that one doesn't need to become the face of a brand or even appear in front of a camera to thrive. Faceless entrepreneurship refers to building digital businesses or revenue streams that do not require personal exposure. These ventures range from YouTube automation channels and anonymous social media pages to dropshipping stores, print-on-demand brands, and even ghost-written newsletters or ebooks. The common denominator? The person behind them remains largely invisible. Why people are choosing the faceless route. There are multiple reasons why entrepreneurs are choosing to remain anonymous: privacy and security. In a world where doxing, harassment, and identity theft are legitimate threats, maintaining anonymity can serve as a protective layer. Scalability and delegation. Faceless brands are often easier to scale. Creators can hire voiceover artists, video editors, content writers, or virtual assistants to handle various parts of the business. Freedom of movement. Without being the face of a brand, entrepreneurs can build multiple brands or pivot quickly without losing audience trust. Mental health and pressure. The pressure to constantly appear perfect online takes a toll. Remaining faceless removes the burden of maintaining a public persona. Global reach. Without cultural constraints, faceless content can be tailored to international audiences without cultural biases or physical identifiers limiting its appeal. The $10,000 a month blueprint, real strategies behind the screen. So how exactly are these faceless creators making 5 figures a month? Here's a breakdown of the most popular and lucrative models being adopted. 1. YouTube automation channels. One of the most prominent examples is the rise of YouTube automation, a system where individuals run channels without ever appearing on screen. These videos often include animated infographics, stock footage, voiceovers, and AI-generated narration. Popular niches include personal finance motivation, health and wellness, history and mystery tech, reviews and gadgets. Creators outsource everything: script writing, voiceovers, editing, thumbnails, often from freelancers on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Monetization comes through YouTube ads, affiliate links, and sponsored content. A well-performing channel with regular uploads and decent watch time can generate several $1,000s a month from ads alone. Add affiliate commissions or a paid course link in the description, and $10,000 a month becomes very achievable and scalable, too. Print-on-demand and dropshipping stores. E-commerce is another lucrative avenue. Using platforms like Shopify or Etsy, entrepreneurs create product-based businesses selling custom t-shirts, mugs, or home decor. They never touch inventory. Instead, third-party suppliers handle fulfillment. The key is in creating niche-targeted designs, such as achis, on breed-specific merchandise, sarcastic quotes for millennials, niche hobby-based apparel, e.g., knitting, fishing, gaming. These stores are marketed through faceless social media pages or paid ads. Some even use automated chatbots to handle customer service, making the operation nearly hands-free. 3. Anonymous social media pages. Faceless content thrives on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Pages that post viral content, memes, motivational quotes, life hacks, can build massive followings without showing a single face. Monetization methods include selling shoutouts to other pages or products, affiliate marketing, e.g., linking to Amazon products, selling digital products like templates or ebooks. Once a page reaches 100,000 plus followers, doors open for lucrative brand partnerships, even in the absence of a public identity. 4. Voice-only podcasts and audiobooks. Podcasting is booming, and while many hosts become household names, others opt to remain faceless. With a good microphone and compelling content, creators can build a loyal listener base without video. Additionally, platforms like Audible and Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing allow anonymous creators to publish audiobooks, often narrated by hired professionals, under pen names. Niches that perform well include self-help and motivation, true crime business and finance, spirituality. The income streams come from royalties, sponsorships, and membership platforms like Patreon. 5. Digital courses and info products. Faceless entrepreneurs are also capitalizing on the e-learning boom. By creating niche online courses, whether teaching Excel hacks, copywriting, or meal planning, they can earn passive income for years. Many use screen recording tools to produce lessons, often with slides and voiceovers only. Platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, and Thinkific allow for easy hosting, while YouTube and TikTok funnel traffic in. Some creators remain so anonymous that even their voice is AI-generated, yet they've built six-figure course businesses. 6. Niche blogs and SEO websites. Blogging is far from dead. In fact, niche content sites built around specific interests, such as gardening, cryptocurrency, or parenting, still rake in impressive revenue via display ads like Google AdSense or eZoic, affiliate links, especially Amazon Associates, selling digital products or subscriptions. Writers hire ghostwriters, editors, and SEO experts to maintain the site, freeing them to run multiple blogs simultaneously under pseudonyms. 7. Stock media and AI-generated art. With tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and other AI platforms, faceless entrepreneurs are creating digital art, stock illustrations, or short animations for sale on marketplaces like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Gumroad. Similarly, AI music creators are composing royalty-free tunes sold on audio platforms, while AI voice generators can narrate entire videos or audiobooks without human involvement. This model allows complete anonymity while tapping into scalable, evergreen income. Case study: a month in the life of a faceless creator. Meet Dan, a pseudonym for a real YouTube automation entrepreneur. Dan runs 4 faceless YouTube channels, all focused on different niches: personal finance, true crime, motivation, and AI tools. Here's a rough breakdown of his monthly income. AdSense, $6,200 affiliate links, software tools, $2,300 course sales, $1,800 sponsored mentions, $1,500 expenses, freelancers tools, $2,100. Net profit, $9,700. Dan's operation runs on a team of freelancers, 3 scriptwriters, 2 video editors, and 1 thumbnail designer. He manages the publishing schedule and handles analytics, spending only 10 hours a week on active management. Dan has never shown his face, never recorded his voice, and never appeared in a single video. The tools empowering the movement. Several tools and platforms have enabled this faceless revolution. Content creation: Canva, CapCut, Pictory, InVideo, Descript AI tools, ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Midjourney for visuals, marketplaces, Etsy, Shopify, Gumroad, Teachable. Freelance platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, OnlineJobs.ph. Even someone with limited technical skill can start a faceless brand using these tools, especially with tutorials readily available on YouTube or Reddit. Challenges and misconceptions. While the appeal is strong, faceless entrepreneurship isn't entirely effortless. Common challenges include standing out in crowded niches. With more people entering the space, quality and niche targeting are crucial. Initial learning curve. Managing freelancers, SEO, thumbnails, or ad strategy requires time and effort. Platform dependence. A YouTube channel or Etsy store can be demonetized or banned. Diversification is key. Income volatility. Revenue can fluctuate due to algorithm changes or seasonal trends. Moreover, the myth of passive income often downplays the active work needed upfront. These businesses succeed not because the face is hidden, but because strategy, execution, and consistency are prioritized. A paradigm shift in the digital economy. What faceless entrepreneurs represent is more than a workaround. It's a paradigm shift. They are challenging the long-standing notion that personality-driven brands are the only way to build trust or engagement online. In fact, faceless brands may offer more reliability to consumers. They focus purely on value, aesthetics, or utility, not charisma or virality. For introverts, busy parents, or those in restrictive environments, it's a path to financial freedom without personal compromise. Conclusion: you don't need a face to make a fortune. As technology evolves and creative tools become more accessible, the barrier to entry for faceless content and business models continues to shrink. Whether it's through automated YouTube channels, anonymous social media brands, or AI-powered digital products, earning $10,000 a month without showing your face is no longer an anomaly. It's a growing trend. For those ready to trade fame for freedom, it might just be the smartest move in the creator economy.